Whenever someone brings up making money online, affiliate marketing is always one of the first things people mention. It sounds so easy. Just promote products, grab a commission, and you're set. But in reality, it takes way more work than most folks expect.
Totally, I've talked to so many beginners who get super excited, then hit a wall when they realize they need to set up a website, crank out tons of content, and somehow attract visitors. It's not usually an overnight success story. For a lot of people, the technical side alone is enough to make them throw in the towel before they even get started.
Exactly. There's this huge learning curve people aren't prepared for, which is why tools like Affiliate Engine AI are getting so much buzz they promise to skip all the slow, painful parts. The question is, do they actually deliver?
That's what had me curious too. I mean, if an AI could seriously build a full site content, design, monetization, the whole package in under a minute, that'd change the game for a lot of folks. But there's always that part of me that wonders if it's just another shiny object.
So let's dive in. Affiliate Engine AI claims you can log in, pick any niche, say fitness or finance, click Create Site, and boom, a fully optimized affiliate website appears, complete with articles, images, and monetized links. It's wild how fast it happens.
That actually blew my mind the first time I saw it in action. I chose a travel niche, and within seconds it generated a site with blog posts, affiliate products, and even connected everything to my Amazon links. And the best part? No coding or tech headaches, it's just a few clicks.
What's cool is you're not stuck with just the basics. You can tweak the design, swap out products, and connect to all sorts of affiliate networks, not just Amazon, but ClickBank and more. It feels way more flexible than I thought it'd be.
And for freelancers or agencies, that's huge. Imagine being able to offer clients a new affiliate site as a service. It's a quick turnaround. And with the commercial license, you can actually sell these sites for a few $100 each. That's a sweet side gig, honestly.
Let's talk about the income streams, because that's where things get interesting. You've got the obvious one, earning commissions from affiliate sales. But people are flipping these sites too, listing them on platforms like Flippa or even Fiverr for some quick cash.
Yeah, and I love that you can also offer site building as a client service. I know a few marketers who build out a batch of niche sites, then either rent them out or sell them to local businesses. Once you get the hang of it, the AI lets you scale without burning out.
Not to mention ad revenue. Once a site starts pulling in traffic, you can toss up AdSense or land a sponsorship deal. The AI basically frees you up to try more experiments without worrying about the setup slog.
Exactly, it's the leverage that's so powerful here. Instead of spending weeks building one site, you could have a whole portfolio up in hours and focus your energy on promoting, tweaking, or selling them.
Of course, no tool is perfect. I found Affiliate Engine AI super fast and easy for beginners. The auto-generated content and built-in hosting are big wins, and I love that it's a one-time payment, not another monthly drain. But there are upsells for things like unlimited sites, and you still need to pick a good niche for the best results.
I'm glad you brought that up. The tool takes care of the heavy lifting, but it's not a magic ATM. You still need a strategy. If you just build random sites without targeting the right audience, you probably won't see much traffic, no matter how slick the setup is.
Totally. And while the commercial license is awesome, it's only valuable if you actually go out and pitch clients or hustle to flip those sites. The AI saves time, but you've still got to put in some work.
Right, but for anyone who's been held back by the tech stuff or just overwhelmed, that's a huge barrier gone. I wish I had something like this when I started. It would have saved me so many late nights wrestling with WordPress and plugins.
So if someone's on the fence, who do you think this is really for? Because I can see it helping a lot of different people, beginners, sure, but also freelancers, content creators, even side hustlers looking for a simple way in.
Honestly, anyone who wants to build an affiliate business without drowning in tech should take a look. Whether you want to build and flip micro-niche sites, run an agency service, or just set up a blog to promote your favorite products, the barrier to entry has never been lower.
And don't forget the extras you get with that launch deal, an affiliate traffic masterclass, templates and graphics, even a 2025 blueprint ebook. That's a lot of value packed in, especially for a lifetime license with a money-back guarantee.
For real, it's almost no risk to test it out. If you've struggled with traditional site building, or just want to let AI handle the grunt work, it's worth checking out. And hey, if anyone tries it, let us know how it goes. I'd love to hear some real-world success stories.